Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Thanks so much for joining me for my quick unboxing of my new AirPods 3. So I'm really excited about these. I'm one of those people with odd-shaped ears that have a lot of trouble finding wireless earbuds that fit. The original Apple AirPods stay in my ears pretty well, but the sound's not great. The AirPods Pro sound fantastic, and I do love the active noise cancellation feature, particularly when I'm flying, but they're not that comfortable and they tend to fall out pretty easily. Hopefully these new AirPods 3 are going to be wonderful. Let's get them unboxed and check them out. So opening these up, really excited about the fact that these are MagSafe now. I think that's going to be great. Nice Apple box as expected. A pretty small charging case here. That's nice. Oh look, a charging cable. It's not a MagSafe charging cable, but still USB-C to Lightning. Cool. The charging case is just beautiful, all glossy plastic, not very big, definitely smaller than the one for the AirPods Pro. It's going to scratch easily, but there's tons of cases you can get for your case, so you can protect it. It's going to charge via Lightning, and you can charge via MagSafe. Love that. Absolutely fantastic. Fits so perfectly in the MagSafe charger too. Really fun, not going anywhere. Such a nice little case. And of course you can use regular wireless charging also. You don't have to use MagSafe, but if you have a MagSafe charger, then that's even better because it's going to charge faster. Just lots to love here. Looking inside, everything looks just beautiful here, kind of nestled inside here. These are a little bit bigger than I expected. I thought that the part that goes in your ear was going to be a bit smaller. They look a whole lot like the AirPods Pro, and I think that's a little bit concerning because the AirPods Pro don't fit in my ears all that well. So if you compare these two, you can see got a very similar look to it. So you're going to have better battery life with these as compared to the AirPods Pro. They don't have active noise cancellation. That's probably why you're going to have better battery life, but you're going to have 6 hours of battery life on a single charge with these, as opposed to 4.5 with the AirPods Pro. And overall, you're supposed to have better sound quality. Haven't got a chance to try that out yet. These have adaptive EQ, so they're going to adjust to the shape of your ear. So they're going to be able to adjust the sound quality based on the shape of your ear. So I think that's kind of exciting. And there's even little sensors in here which will allow it to know that it's in your ear based on the fact that it's touching skin. So that should help conserve battery life. Overall, these look like really great little devices. Pairing these with your phone could not be easier. Just open this up and immediately connect. And once you're paired with one of your Apple devices, then you can be paired with all of your Apple devices. So I think that's going to be super convenient. And we are done. So after spending yesterday and today playing around with my new AirPods 3, I am very impressed with them. They stay in my ears reasonably well, they feel extremely comfortable, and the sound is great. So as far as ear fit, these have a shorter stem than your AirPods. So your AirPods feel like they're going to be a little bit more secure in the ear because I think of all this weight hanging down. These guys feel like they're going to fall out, but then they don't. And they're super lightweight. I find them extremely comfortable. I kept worrying that they were going to fall out of my ears, but then they didn't, and you can have them in your ears hour after hour, and they're just outstanding. So comfort-wise, fantastic. Comparing them with the AirPods Pro, I personally just find the silicone tips to be not very comfortable, and I also find this one to be more slippery and more likely to fall out of my ear. Really prefer the fit of the AirPods 3. And as far as audio quality is concerned, I think that the audio quality of the AirPods 3 is simply outstanding. It's much, much better than I thought it was going to be. So with your AirPods Pro, you do have that active noise cancellation, so these are going to be better for flights. But if you don't need A and C, then AirPods 3 are just great. They've got fantastic bass. I think that the adaptive EQ must work really, really well with my ears because I just hear fantastic sound with these AirPods 3. Basically as good as with the AirPods Pro. So super impressed with these. Great fit. You got that better battery life with these as compared to the AirPods Pro. AirPods Pro only 4.5 hours. These have got the 6 hours. You've got the ability to do MagSafe charging with these, which is great. I mean, obviously you can also use it with regular wireless charging, but the fact that we've got the MagSafe charging is super awesome. And overall, these are just fantastic. Water resistant, MagSafe charging, better battery life, and smaller charging case. In my opinion, the new AirPods 3 are just outstanding. Thanks so much for joining me for my AirPods 3 unboxing. I hope you enjoyed the content. Let me know in the comments what you thought. My channel focuses primarily on iPhone-related accessories. You might want to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on my upcoming unboxings and reviews. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day.